Hi guys, this is Dexter. Today, I will be teaching you on how we maintain our 3D printer. It's a Ultimaker 3 extended 3D printer. So first, we need to clean the top of the 3D printer. This one. We need to remove all of this dirt. Let's make sure that the 3D printer is turned off. We need to turn off this one. And then I have here this Unilube for the railings here, and I have Magnalube for the threaded part here. And also I have this tiny brush that will help us to remove some dust here inside the head. Next, we need to clean this one here and at the back of the hot end. But first, we need to remove this PLA, polylactic acid spool here, so that we can remove this AA hot end. Here, we can automatically remove this one because there's no PLA inside here. I'll show you. Just gonna clip that one. Let's clean the dust inside. Next, we need to turn on the 3D printer. So here, also we need to remove this one by using scraper. Next, we're going to put magna lube at the threaded part. Here, just need to turn right, turn left in order to control the machine. Go to material. Here. So on. Go to the system. Here, we need to raise this build plate so that we can put magna lube. Build plate. Raise. Lower the build plate. Raise it again. Remove the excess. Lower again. Next, we need to put this one here. Raise again. Now let's remove the dust here. Lower again. So that's it. I already cleaned the 3D printer, and that's how we maintain and clean our 3D printer here inside Mindanao. So thank you guys. See you in the next video, and in the next video I will be teaching you on how to operate a 3D printer.